When we modify a noun with a stative verb, usually we add the between stative verb and noun. For example, 便宜的东西，便宜的东西。We add the between stative verb 便宜 and noun 东西。他是一个快乐的孩子。他是一个快乐的孩子。快乐 stative verb 孩子 noun. We add the between stative verb and noun. 李太太有3个可爱的孩子。李太太有3个可爱的孩子。Stative verb 可爱 noun 孩子。We add the 可爱的孩子。可爱的孩子。我喜欢漂亮的花。我喜欢漂亮的花。Stative verb 漂亮 noun 花。Add the between 漂亮 and 花。漂亮的花。漂亮的花。喜欢 auxiliary verb. If the stative verb is one syllable, we can omit the. For example, 新 one syllable. And we can omit the 新书。你有几个好朋友？你有几个好朋友？ One syllable stative verb 好。朋友 noun. And we omit the 好朋友。好朋友。我要买一个小蛋糕。我要买一个小蛋糕。小 one syllable stative verb 蛋糕 noun. Omit the 小蛋糕。小蛋糕。他是我们的新同学。他是我们的新同学。新 one syllable stative verb 同学 noun. We omit the 新同学。新同学。If the noun mentioned previously, it can be omitted. For example, 大的蛋糕 and we can omit 蛋糕。You will say, hi, 大 is one syllable stative verb. And we can omit the, right? We can say 大蛋糕。But if you want to omit 蛋糕, you need and you must keep the after 大. You must say 大的. You can only say 大. Because if you don't say the, we don't know after the there is a noun. So if you omit the noun, you must keep the 大的. For example, 你们要买哪个蛋糕？你们要买哪个蛋糕？他要买大的，我要买小的。他要买大的，我要买小的。Here, after the, omit 蛋糕，omit 蛋糕。So 大的、小的。If you want to keep the noun, you could say 他要买大蛋糕。我要买小蛋糕。If you keep 蛋糕, you keep the noun. You can omit the. But if you omit the noun, you must keep the. 要买大的，要买小的。你要买哪件衣服？你要买哪件衣服？我要买便宜的，不要买贵的。我要买便宜的，不要买贵的。The noun is 衣服。So, mentioned previously. So, omit the noun. 我要买便宜的，不要买贵的。便宜的，贵的。你想买哪朵花？你想买哪朵花？我想买那朵漂亮的。我想买那朵漂亮的。The noun is 花 and mentioned previously. So here we can omit, but you need to keep the 漂亮的，漂亮的。See you. Bye.